Scrapeit review. Hey guys, it's Ira from irawarner.com, and thanks for stopping by to check out my review on the new software called Scrapeit. Now, Scrapeit is launching on June the 16th at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and in this video we're just going to jump into what it's all about, what you can expect to get if you do pick up a copy of Scrapeit, as well as some awesome bonuses that I've put together for you guys. So I'm on the sales page of Scrapeit right now. If you're watching this video, you've probably already seen this sales page, or you might have heard about it from an email, whatever it is. Essentially, Scrapeit is a software that allows you to scrape, meaning pull out content from product pages, that allows you to create review pages. So if you've ever tried to promote anything online and you want to give a review of something, especially in the affiliate marketing or internet marketing space, then typically giving a review on a product is a great way to address any objections or pre-frame your promotion, right? So if you buy traffic, and you send them to a pre-frame page, or a review page, essentially what you're doing is giving the user a little bit more information about the product before they go and buy. It's a bit meta, because essentially that's what I'm doing to you right now, but just in the sense of a video. So if you want to create a review page, it takes a lot of time. It can be very time consuming, because not only do you have to do all the technical stuff to set up a page, with WordPress or your funnel builder or whatever it might be, you also have to think about the content that you're going to write or put on your review page, right? You have to think about, what are you going to say? What are the features? What are the benefits? What's the copy that I'm going to write? What are the images I'm going to use? All that sort of stuff. So essentially what Scrapeit does, it's a point and click software. Essentially, you just find a product that you want to promote, and you go to the product page, so the sales page, and then you drag that into Scrapeit, and Scrapeit will pull out all the content from that product page and allow you to then build a review page off of that information in a drag and drop manner. So to give you a little demo of what that is, I will do that at the end of this video. But essentially, you can go ahead and you can navigate to the sales page, have a quick look at what you can expect to get with Scrapeit, so you have a bit more of a thorough understanding. But I'll give you a quick rundown of that right now. So essentially, on this page now that you see on the screen is my review page. So Scrapeit helps you build review pages. This is not a review page built by Scrapeit, but it's one that I built by myself, and it's essentially the same fundamentals. So you can see here that I'm giving a quick I suppose text review of what the page is about, or the product's about. Essentially, if you ever try to create a review page for a product, it takes a lot of time and effort to put the page together. Scrapeit shortcuts it all by all that tedious work by pulling all the relevant information that you need to build a review page in just a few seconds. And so you get the idea that I'm building, basically I'm pre-framing the product through some benefits, and I give a few nutshell features here as well, and then I go into the funnel. Now I'm showing you this as an example to highlight the importance of why a review page can help you in your promotions. Now, another thing that also helps in promotions are bonuses, and I've put together some bonuses to offer you guys if you do pick up a copy of Scrapeit through my affiliate link, and all these links are on my page on these yellow buttons. So essentially, if you want to pick up Scrapeit and you get access to some extra goodies 100% for free that I will give to you, you'll find more information on that in the link in the description below. But essentially, the bonuses that I'm offering are access to my course, Affiliate Velocity. Now, to pre-frame this, Scrapeit is a tool, right? Scrapeit is a tool that allows you to help promote products, but it doesn't essentially give you the full picture, right? It doesn't tell you how to build a full affiliate promotion from start to finish. It is just a tool in that process. What I've created in Affiliate Velocity, and this is a sales page for Affiliate Velocity, is essentially a blueprint that teaches you how to generate up to $1,000 per week. And in my instance, it's a case study that I've shown how I generated $1,300 in just 7 days. So I give you a full training, and I give you a full blueprint on how you can replicate that yourself. It's very fill in the blanks. So essentially, I give you all the steps, and I even give you templates, and you can then go ahead and use these templates and fill them in with information from the product vendor pages, just like Scrapeit teaches you to do. But it goes outside of just the review page. I teach you how to build your opt-in page, your bridge page, your follow-up sequence, all that sort of stuff to help you with any solid affiliate promotion that you might want to put together. So the reason I highlight this is because while scrapeit is a tool, as I mentioned, Affiliate Velocity gives you a bit more of a method. And you can use scrapeit in the methods that I outline in Affiliate Velocity to build your review pages, to build your bridge pages, and also to put all your bonus promotions together, similar to what I'm offering you on this page. So it really goes hand in hand, and it'll be really helpful to get the most out of using scrapeit as a tool. The second bonus that I'm putting together for you guys is access to my done-for-you lead magnets. Now, these are 40 high-quality done-for-you lead magnets that you can use as bonuses in your promotions with scrapeit. So scrapeit does come with, I think, 10 or 13, I'm not sure exactly, but they do give you some bonuses that you can use in your promotions. Now, the problem with that is you're going to be having access to the same bonuses, the same products that you can use in your bonuses that everyone else who picks up scrapeit will use as well. And, soon over time, those bonuses aren't going to be very valuable because everyone's offering the same thing, especially if you're going to use the done for you campaigns. All the campaigns are going to be the same with all the same bonuses. Why would someone pick up, your promotion over someone else's? So you can use, any amount of these done for you lead magnets in your promotions in scrapeit to help you boost your conversions with offering bonuses. The third bonus that I'm offering to you guys today is access to my hack to unlock essentially unlimited access to Canva Pro. Now, Canva is an online image editing software. It allows you to create awesome graphics, PowerPoint slides, video thumbnails, anything graphical that you want to do. Canva has templates to do it, and it's super simple to use. I used to have to use Photoshop for everything I wanted to do graphic design wise before in my business, but now I just use Canva. It's so simple, it's so quick. I used it to create that image you see on the screen right now, and it just took me a matter of minutes. So Canva is free, but Canva Pro does cost a bit of money. It's about $10 a month. And in this hack, this little gray area hack that I show you how to access Canva Pro essentially for an unlimited amount of time. So if you're looking to save some money and invest in another tool that's essential to your business, then this bonus will help you get there. Now, my fourth bonus is access to my underground traffic sources. So as I mentioned before, scrapeit is a tool, and Affiliate Velocity, the first bonus, is the method, it's the strategy. This is the traffic. So you need all three things to build a solid business online. You need the strategy, you need the tools, and then you need to fill your funnel with traffic. So I'm giving you access to my underground traffic sources that not many other people online use that I've seen, as well as how to get access to discounted traffic. So I don't like to pay full price on anything. I just like bargains. So I show you how to get up to half price on your traffic in this training as well. So you can when you build your review pages with scrapeit, you know then how to send traffic to it with this strategy. And then access to the fifth bonus is all the vendor bonuses that the guys at scrapeit are offering. You will get access to all of those as well, 100% for free. So you get a bunch of bonuses if you do pick up scrapeit using my link. You just have to make sure you pick it up before midnight on Saturday, June the 19th. That's essentially the timer on the screen will show you how much time left that you've got to pick up these bonuses. After that time, the bonuses will expire and they will be gone. So as I mentioned before, we're going to run through a demo of how you can use scrapeit. So essentially, this is the dashboard of scrapeit, and we're inside here. And essentially how it works is it works by a bookmarklet. So essentially you have this bookmark that you go and drop. And so we're going to drag that up to the top of the screen. And so it's just sitting there waiting. So the bookmarklet is sitting as a bookmark in your Chrome tab, and it's waiting for you to drag a product onto it. So we're going to go and find a product to promote. And in this instance, we'll use one called Instant Profit Stores. So this is the product the product page, the sales page that we're going to create a review page for. And the first thing that we want to do is to scroll all the way to the bottom of the page, just so we make sure all the text and all the images load on the page. And once we've done that, we're going to click on our scrapeit bookmark. It's going to basically analyze the page that we're looking at. and then it's going to pull all the information out and preload the software ready for us to extract the information that we need to build our review page. So we can give it a title, or we can leave the title as it is, and then you can see that there are some tabs on the screen in front of you. You've got the product name, you've got images, you've got the review overview section, you've got the features section, and we can add a few more onto that as well. So you have the overview, you have the features. What else could we add? Well, if you look at this example of a review page, you can see that they have they got a pros and cons section. You might have a FAQ section as well. So we can add those as sections within the scrapeit software. So we do that by clicking the little plus icon on the tab. And when we click that, we will be able to add a new section. And so we can call this new section bonuses, for example, to add a new bonus section. And we can add a new one as well for perhaps FAQs or frequently asked questions. Because these are all, this is all relevant information to help promote a product, right? All right, so now we're going to look at the images that we might want to use in our promotion. So these are a bunch of images that come inside of scrapeit, and we can always add more, but we're going to pick a few that will help jazz up the promotion a bit. And you can pick ones that are related to the product. And so we're picking the product image there. We can pick one of this dude with his thumbs up. We might pick up some income proof, and we'll probably pick up some images of some cash, and then another image of a lady to help us with humanizing the promotion a little bit more, and also to build some excitement, because that's what it's about. All right, now we're going to start to pick the text that we want to use in our overview section. So you can see I'm on the overview tab. I'm going to go ahead and click some paragraphs of text here, and this will all build out in the overview part of our review page, which will be the first part that people might see. Now in the features section, we're going to click on some features, simple single line texts that help illustrate the benefits as well as the features of the product. We don't want big paragraphs of text here. We just want to keep it simple. Right, now let's figure out some bonuses. So in the bonuses section, we can pull the information from the vendor's bonuses, which is down the bottom here. I do remember them offering some bonuses. Where is it? Here we are. So we get these bonuses, and so we can start to click these bonuses, and you can see how it's highlighted gray now, because it highlights depending on the section that we're choosing. The overview was red, the features was yellow, and now the bonuses is gray. So it helps us from a visual perspective understand what sections we're actually using here. And then lastly, the FAQ section, which is green. Let's go find the FAQs down here. Where are they? Here we are. So frequently asked questions, and we can click all of these, and you can see they're all highlighted green for our FAQ section. All right, so this is what scrapeit has put together for us based on that information that we've just pulled together in literally, a couple of minutes. So you can see that the instant profit stores is up there as the name, and then the overview section has a subtitle there. And you can also see that on the right we have some images that we can use. And so, if you want to change images out, we can definitely do that really easily. So if this one you don't like it, you can always just delete it and drag a new one in. And in this case, we want to show the product box image as well right at the start, because that's what people are here for. They're here for the review of instant profits stores. Now we might want to add a few more sections, for example, a table of contents section. So on the left hand side there's a sidebar. We go ahead and we click through onto the scrapeit section because there are some additional blocks, I suppose you can say, that we can add to this page. So there is a table of contents that we can now drag in. And this is great to put at the top of your page because it gives you a summary, or it gives the user a summary basically of what the page is all about. And you see this a lot in other review pages. So we can type in the vendor's name here, we can type in the product name, This stuff isn't automatically filled out, but it's very simple to just, find this information from the product page or the JV page. And so we can find out the launch date, the launch time, the front end price, the link, all that sort of stuff. If you're going to put your link in there, make sure you use your affiliate link and just link it to the product sales page. That's pretty much it. So it's a very simple software to use. It's all based off blocks once you've got all the content pulled out. And you can see in just a matter of minutes, you've got pretty much a clean looking review page with text that's just pulled in from the sales page as well as images. I would recommend, possibly adjusting the text a little bit so it's in your tone, in your conversation, but the majority of the text is there. So most of the hard work has been done for you. I'm just going to pull in some badges here for ease of, like guarantee and free bonus, just to advertise the fact that they're getting all of these things if they do purchase. You can put in a little caption summary block here, which has a button that links to the sales page if you choose. You could format the title a bit differently. You can use different colors, whatever it is that you might want to do. It's all very simple to use because it's all drag and drop and WordPress based. So that's pretty much it, guys. Just doing a quick overview again of the page, how it looks. Very simple. It's got bonuses, it's got features, and it's all very clean, which is important. If you aren't a great designer, then having a clean website is definitely something you want because it pushes the user to take the actions that you need. And in this case, it's just, reading a review of the product and having links to the product sales page. So very simple to use, and it's really, I recommend it if you're, struggling to build review pages, not just because of technical reasons, but also for time. Stuff like this is really, really great so that you can focus on pumping out more reviews. And if you're doing any sort of launch jacking or anything like that, then the game is in the numbers. It's all about how many reviews you can put out there, how many fishing lines you can have in the sea, because that will give you more shots at earning commissions, right? So if you are interested in picking up a copy of scrapeit, then go ahead and navigate to the bonus page in the description below. Once you click that, you'll see you're on this page. It says Era Warner's Mega Bonus up on the top. Click on any of the yellow buttons and you will go ahead and secure your copy. Just to give you a bit more information about the funnel. So the front end of scrapeit costs $13.90, and I do think the price goes up after launch. So make sure you jump on it as soon as you can. And that gets you access to all the software. The first upsell for $27 will be the scrapeit traffic offer. And this allows you to generate free buyer traffic from up to 13 social media sites simultaneously on autopilot, as well as having insight into all of that traffic inside of the dashboard. The second upsell is Scrapeit Club, and this costs $27 a month. And this essentially removes the limitations to the front end version of the software. Basically, it means you can build unlimited sites. So a lot of these softwares have limitations on the front end offer where you can only build up to 10, 20. With this Scrapeit Club upsell, you get access to building unlimited sites, unlimited review pages. You also get access to some premium add-ons like the drag and drop builder, live chat, etc., and more. This does cost $27 per month, so keep that in mind. It is a monthly cost. The next upsell is Scrapeit Store for $37, and this is what you are looking for if you're building any sort of e-commerce review pages. So essentially it allows you to import information for e-commerce products. And e-commerce products have, different data points like variation, description, product images. They have a bunch of different things that relate to certain e-commerce products. Like you think of a t-shirt, you've got small, medium, large, white, black, red. They have all these different variations as well as different images. So you can pull all of those into your Scrapeit dashboard. And there's a Chrome extension for that as well. So if you're working with anything e-commerce and you might want to apply this to your e-commerce store, then this can help for you. The upsell number 4 is Scrapeit Viral Content for $67. And what this allows you to do is get access to trending articles for your site and get free organic buyers. So this has a few extra features like a site outliner and a calendar to manage your content. This one it's stepping outside of the box of what I see the usefulness of Scrapeit is, so I probably wouldn't pick this up. Mainly the power of Scrapeit lies in your ability to create these review pages quickly. I wouldn't use it to get access to articles on my site for traffic. That doesn't seem the best use of this product. So pick that one up at your own discretion. And then the last upsell is Scrapeit Agency, and that costs $37 per month. And essentially this is the resale rights, which means, you can, if you promote Scrapeit and if people buy it through your link, you will keep 100% of the commissions. Now it's a recurring fee, I believe, instead of a one-time fee, because there is a recurring component to it, right? If you have the unlimited version of Scrapeit, it costs $27 a month. So, if you have a bunch of people subscribed to that upsell and you own the agency rights, you will get 100% of those commissions every month. So, over a year that can, add up to a nice juicy commission. So if you want to have the resale rights, then it is the last upsell, the agency license. So as I said, key benefits: it saves you hours of time. There's done for you offers inside of there. They have 10 done for you offers if you want to get up and running straight away. The websites, the review pages that it creates for you are also monetized. So they have preloaded banners displaying recurring offers from some of today's best affiliate products. All you have to do is make sure your affiliate links are in there. You can use this software to build your website content. So if you didn't want to scrape review pages, but you wanted to scrape some information articles that you can have on your website for SEO purposes, then you can definitely do that too. But like I said, that's not where I see the real value here. The real value really comes down to pumping out these review pages so you can get onto focusing on the more important things in your business. And then it does have some done for you bonuses, but if you're picking up a copy through my link, you're going to get access to my 40 done for you lead magnets as well to set you apart from everyone else who picks this up. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for sticking by to watch the end of my Scrapeit video review. If you're interested, go ahead and click on the link below to find out some more information about all those bonuses. But otherwise, enjoy, take care, stay safe, and I'll see you all on the next video. Peace.